How can I fix a blurry video that was sent to me?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be discussing how to fix a blurry video that was sent to you. Blurry videos can be frustrating, but fortunately, there are a few steps you can take to improve their quality. Let's get started.
Assess the source video.
The first step in fixing a blurry video is to assess the quality of the source video. Ask yourself the following questions. Is the blurriness due to a low-resolution video? Is the blurriness caused by camera shake or motion blur? Is the blurriness consistent throughout the entire video, or are there specific sections that are more affected? Understanding the nature of the blurriness will help determine the most appropriate course of action.
Enhance video resolution.
If the blurriness is due to a low-resolution video, there are a few methods you can try to enhance the resolution. 1. Upscaling with video editing software. Import the blurry video into a video editing software that supports upscaling. Use the software's upscaling features to increase the resolution of the video. Keep in mind that upscaling may not drastically improve the quality, but it can make a slight difference. 2. Online upscaling tools. There are various online tools available that specialize in upscaling videos. Upload your blurry video to one of these tools and follow the instructions provided to enhance its resolution. Remember to use reputable and trusted online tools.
Reduce camera shake or motion blur.
If the blurriness is caused by camera shake or motion blur, you can try the following techniques. 1. Video stabilization. Make use of video stabilization features available in video editing software. These features can help reduce the appearance of camera shake and make the video smoother. 2. Deblurring tools. Some advanced video editing software and plugins offer deblurring features specifically designed to fix motion blur. Explore the options provided by these tools to enhance the clarity of your video.
Seek professional help.
If the blurriness is severe or the previous steps didn't yield satisfactory results, it might be beneficial to seek professional help. Consider reaching out to a video editing professional or post-production specialist who can utilize advanced techniques and tools to fix the blurry video. They have the expertise and experience to tackle challenging video quality issues. Fixing a blurry video may require a combination of techniques, depending on the nature of the blurriness. Remember to assess the source video, enhance resolution if needed, address camera shake or motion blur, and seek professional help when necessary. By following these steps, you can significantly improve the quality of the blurry video you've received. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.